It's like in a small group of my girlfriends that actually do something with her hair.
Yeah.
Now let's go to the styling.
Okay.
So when you choose your styling for the hair, you need to think about what do you want. Do you want it to be like soft? Do you want it to be like more stiff? Do you want it to be like more dry? So most of my clients say to me, but yeah, I don't want to use the styling because it dries up my hair. No. Like my suggestion for you, it's called a miracle creator.
Oh my god.
Isn't there a better name for it? What does it do to your hair?
Okay.
It makes it feel softer. It makes easier for you to comb it out. So it's better for your hair not to do those little breakages that you mostly do to your like ends, because most of the girls are like combing their hair
oh my
from
god,
the
I'm
roots.
totally like that. Like,
Don't use it on like wet hair. Why? Because it combines with the water, and when you like squeeze the water from your hair, it gets out of your hair.
Course.
And before we start doing the other styling products, here's a late Christmas present for you. It's like May and we are saving it for you since this is December. So this is like I would say right at the moment Christmas present for you. So there you go.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I open it?
Yeah, of course. You need to open it.
Look at this! Oh my god, I love these kind of brushes.
Yeah. All those silicone parts, they don't break your hair because they bend as your tangle gets in front of them.
Cool.
I mean in front of their way.
Yeah, I told you I suffer a lot from that. So.
Yeah. So I will show you how to use it. The most important thing when you comb your hair, to comb it from your like ends. When you put your comb in here, all the knots are going down and they will come here in much bigger like in much bigger amount.
A lot of learning today for me.
The next one that I would recommend, it's a texture game spray with a little bit of sea salt inside.
Okay.
What does it do to your hair? It stiffens it up a little bit, so your hair is like more curly. It just dries out the hair, but on the surface. Like leave those roots.
Okay.
All the volume is.
So like a lot of volume.
Volume is. The last one, that it's like the life savior for you.
Okay.
Because she uses a lot of curling irons, a lot of straightening irons. It's a heat protectant. It's called heat buffer from Style Link line from Matrix. As it says here, it's heat buffer.
I use it right before to start doing my curls, or
you
how
just
does it
use
work?
it on your like dry hair. So cool. This is the heat buffer that I'm definitely going to use on her hair today, and this is the product that I'm giving to you.
No way!
Yeah.
Oh my god! This is like literally Christmas in May?
Yeah.
What's happening?
It's like Oprah.
I
You
know.
two look
I know.
Andrea,
I'm
you-
like, can I come more often to
Yeah.
this YouTube channel? This is amazing.
I'm going to show Andrea how to style her hair with the curling iron without those pigtails at the end. And then after that I'm going to do her like big, glamorous lion, Colombian,
Yes.
Latin girl hair.
Yes,
Okay.
love it.
For every one of you that doesn't know what this is, it's a curling iron. It's one of my favorite. Our cameraman is doing some funny faces.
With me, I'm the problem.
Yeah. This is a 32 millimeter curling iron that I love, and it's like because I can do with it like the big beachy curls, and also I can do the smaller ones. I can do everything. Also sometimes I'm like doing the curls around of it, so I will show you like moves what you can do with your. If you want smaller curls, just take small sections. If you want bigger curls, just take bigger sections. I don't know why my tongue is like that. It's like
No.
Suggestion for this front part.
Okay.
It's like you do this whole part.
Okay.
Just comb it with your fingers.
Okay.
Put it like that.
Uh-huh.
Just take your hair, twist it a little bit,
Okay.
go back, and you can see this
The little
like hand,
tail.
the
Tail.
piggy tail
The piggy tail?
stays out. Just go back a little bit,
Uh-huh.
unroll it,
Oh my god.
take it out,
Okay.
and just pull it slowly. And as you can see, and in this case, less is more.
Okay.
So, do you want to try it?
I need to do this.
Okay.
Pull it.
Yeah. As close as you can to your scalp.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Now roll it a little bit.
Down.
Yeah, pull it down and
Okay.
roll it. Okay.
Down.
Cool.
Making sure the little tail is
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. More rolling.
Okay, now
Yes, that's very
take
important.
it out. Okay, now just grab it here with your fingers and just pull it slowly.
Ah, yeah.
Slowly. And that's it. Now,
Like, I don't know where to roll.
yeah, and the easier moment for you would be just to put it like this.
Okay.
And
Down.
just twist it around.
Uh-huh.
And so you just put it out and that's it. So it's...
But it's true, even like with the cold. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see.
While your hair is warm, don't comb it, don't do anything
Yeah.
with it. You need to leave your hair to dry, I mean to get colder, because when your head gets like completely cold, the shape stays.
It's very easy for me to stay, like to keep the curls with me.
Yeah,
like
for sure. Because I mean, when the hair is like not conditioned so good, and then when it's a little bit dry, the curls are like much more long lasting. So
funny. I mean, it's fun when you do it. It's fun when funny when I do it.
Just leave this here, okay?
Okay.
And you got your curl. Okay, are you ready for some pro styling? Yeah, let's do it. Why? It looks good.
Yeah, like a lion. Looking beautiful. But it smells amazing. Oh my god. Are you making fun of me? By any case?
It was like...
So I can do this.
Now it's time for a heat buffer. When you do it the opposite way, the curls are like much more playful. Give it for 10 minutes and they take it off with the hair.
No.
Don't go over 200 degrees Celsius.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yesterday I had a client that he had corona.
Oh really? So how are my little hairs behaving?
That's amazing video. Oh my god, this is so hair salon talk. What is happening?
That sounded so bad.
Blow drying her hair.
Oh really?
Pole smo mislili raditi.
I meso na roštilju.
I meso na roštilju, da.
Ajde
Bog.
bog. My god, the change from the Lion King to this is just... I'm like a beautiful lion now.
Yeah. Focus, where is the focus? Where is the focus? Focus. For 10 days and it's...
I won't. Can I do like 25?
You can try.
Yeah, no, that won't look good.
So, we are done.
Yay!
Do you like it?
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. It's amazing.
It looks very good on you.
Thank you
I
very
hope
much.
everyone likes it. I hope you learned some new tricks and tips from me.
I did.
You did that.
Yes, and I loved them all.
Okay,
And
so
it looks amazing.
I think the next video should be like you doing your own hair.
Okay, let's
We
try
will.
that. Let's
Let's
try
try
that
it.
and see how that works.
Cool, thank you very much. Subscribe, watch all of my videos, follow me on my social media, and hope to see you soon. Take care, bye!
Thank you.
You're welcome, thank you.